Welcome to Big Bear Trailers and Outdoor in Oundle, Northamptonshire. This afternoon I've got a review for you on the Nugent GP3015. This is one of the general purpose models. This one's the slightly larger one, got a dimensions of 305 long centimetres, 152 wide. This is 2,700 kilograms gross, and with the mesh sides on and the ramp, you've got a load carrying capacity of literally just under 2 tonne. So nice twin axle, obviously braked. Has the optional mesh side kit on, but nice and easy to remove with these clips top and bottom. The advantage is obviously with the full width rear ramp, just really makes it a nice all-round, as it says, general purpose trailer. So nice robust fixings at the back here, just undo both sides, and then we will be able to open the ramp up for you. So full width ramp, nice and straightforward. To be fair, I'm pretty tall at 6'6", but it gives you an impression, not too deep a ramp angle, so nice and straightforward. Just a great all-round trailer for putting in sheets and carrying all sorts of everything, sit on lawn mowers and what have you. So again, built into it Nugent quality, so strength and robustness. Customers who've bought this particular trailer just love it in terms of its strength, reliability, not rattly. So just a really nice quality trailer. As you can see, we tend to order this with the mesh sides and the full width rear ramp. You've got the spare wheel on there as standard, lockable hitch. That's really the general purpose trailer from Nugent. So they do a slightly smaller model, but this one's the GP3015 with all the details. If you need more details, they are on our website, so take a look at bigbeartrailers.co.uk, or alternatively, please feel free to give us a call. You can call us on our mobile number, which is 07500 810 523. If we can help at all, please give us a call. Thanks very much indeed. Bye now.